Hi, it's Linz here. Today I'm going to talk about mindful eating. Mindful eating is about using mindfulness to reach a state of full attention to your experiences, cravings, and physical cues when eating. Basically, mindful eating involves eating slowly and without distraction, listening to physical hunger cues, and eating only until you are full. Distinguishing between true hunger and non-hunger triggers for eating. Engaging your sense by noticing colors, smells, sounds, textures, and flavors. Learning to cope with guilt and anxiety about food. Eating to maintain overall health and well-being. Noticing the effect food has on your feelings and rigor. And last, appreciating your food. Based on my own experiences, I think mindful eating become my habit because I always choose the food which is healthy and easy to cook. I think peanut butter can be a good example about mindful eating. It contains 25% good fat, 26% pure protein, but I want to say it's a very high calorie food. So we have to use our mindful eating habit to control the amount how much we eat. This is my favorite brand of peanut butter. So today I'm going to share a very healthy and easy cookie recipe with peanut butter. Bye. This is my peanut butter cookie. It's gluten-free, it's vegan, and it's very healthy. How do you use your peanut butter at home? Comment below to let me know. Hopefully you enjoy my video. If you like my video, give me a thumbs up and subscribe my channel. See you next time.